Hello, Mr. Hayes. It's Daniel Greenstein here, and this is my model of the brain. Here we have the spinal cord, which connects the brain to the rest of the body. Right here we have the medulla, which is the base of the brain stem and controls heartbeat and breathing. Right here we have the pons, which is movements. Here we have the reticular formation, which is like arousal, awakeness, and alertness. And right here we have the cerebellum, which is the little brain and controls like balance and coordinating movements. Now, this is our lobes. Here we have this whole area is the frontal lobes, which is speaking, muscle movement, judgment, stuff like that. Here we have the parietal lobes, which is like sensory. Here we have the occipital lobes, which is like vision, and here's the temporal lobes, which is auditory. Right here, this little area is the prefrontal cortex. This big area is the prefrontal cortex, and this is like planning and judging right here. And here's the motor cortex, which is like movements. Here we have the sensory cortex, right in this area, in the parietal lobes, which is like sensing, and like sensing your fingers and stuff like that. This right here is Wernicke's area, which interprets audio code, and right here is Broca's area, which interprets, like, controls the speech muscle. Now, if we open this up, here we have the thalamus right here, which is basically the grand central of the brain. Here we have the hippocampus, which is like memories throughout the day. The amygdala, which is aggression and fear. This is the hypothalamus, which is like the reward center for the brain, and also controls eating and drinking and body temperature. And this little small thing right here is our pituitary gland, which is like controls the hormones and endocrine system. I hope you enjoyed my model of the brain.